Well, I'll be dang.
Hello, so today I'm gonna be unpackaging another Lazada Budol that we can use in our home. So before I start, may I request everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe to my video if ever you find this video very useful. So this is it, the Wild Tornado Sink and Drain Cleaner Value Pack. So I bought two. I believe I bought it only for about, I guess it's 30 pesos. I already forgot, sorry. I bought it at Lazada. So together with this one is this thing. I don't know what this is for. So later we will try to figure out what's the use of this thing. So this is 110 gram. So I don't know what's inside. It's my first time to buy this one. So let's try using it up. So this is the shower area on our toilet. As you can see, it's all clogged up. Water is not properly draining out. So even if the part is clean, although it's draining, the problem is it took around 5 to 10 minutes to completely drain the water out, which is very bad for me, especially if there are lot of us in our home that you will use the shower area. So see, that's it. So that's the problem, hoping that I can solve this up. So let's try using the product. So let's be careful in using this thing. So first is the face mask, and the other one is the rubber gloves. So you never be too careful in using new products. So according to the procedure, we should leave it at least an hour, and so that all water has all drained out. So inside is like a detergent. So okay, let's clean the drain, the filter. As you can see, I have already figured out what's the use of the red thing. So for us to properly put all the detergent like solution of the product, we would need to use this one. So that's it. Spread it evenly inside the drain. Okay. Then leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So let's try to help it settle down. Then pour another 50 gram of the Wild Sink and Drain Cleaner, the detergent. I'm hoping this is powerful enough to unclog my drain. Hoping and praying. So that's it. Again, leave for about 3 to 5 minutes, and we will repeat the process. So since this is very cheap, I'm planning to use it all up. Since I bought two, I have spare, so it's okay if I use all the detergent. Okay, so this time we will try to put hot water in the solution, hoping that it will help the detergent to penetrate in the clogged area and in the pipes. Okay, that's it. We can see, or I can hear some, like it's like cooking inside. Something is like cooking. Then let's put another batch of the Wild Sink and Drain Cleaner. Yan, evenly spread the detergent and pour another hot water. Okay, let us leave that for a minute. Okay, think something is going on down there. So this will be the last batch of the detergent. So dispose it properly. Don't leave it just laying down there, for safety reasons, of course. Okay, so another hot water. So leave that for 20 minutes or so. So let's try if Testings. Testing worked. Let's pour some water. Let's try to put a generous amount of water so that it will be we can flush all the solution down. Okay. Okay, waiting for the result. Okay. Oh, wow. So it's good. Water is continuously draining out. This is a good sign, I must say. Wow. Okay. Let's see another. Okay, wow, it's draining out. So I'm seeing good result here. Later, I'll test it. I'll take a bath and see if what will be its reaction if water has already soap on it. So with water alone, it's good. It's draining out very good. Oh, it's very fast, which is a good sign. Okay. Okay, again. Let's try to flush out, drained out all the solution down there. Okay. So now let's try water with soap. So still it's draining out fast, a good sign. There's a big difference from the previous state of the drain. Okay, large amount of water with soap. Okay. So I guess it's still the same. It looks like it's still clogged. Probably it's the effect of the soap in on the openings of the drain. So let's try to see if it's flushing it out fast. I can see that the soap has an effect on the small openings in the drain. Okay, still waiting for the result. 30 seconds has passed. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I'm seeing not good result about this one. It took a long time before it drains out and still it's stuck. Maybe the solution is not completely drained out from the clogged area. As you can see, it's still not draining out. Whoa. This is taking too long to drain out, so I don't know, is it normal? Is this normal? So still waiting. Wow, I'm seeing a not a pleasant result from this one. Okay, still there, but it seems that it's draining out. It seems. Okay, that's it. Okay. Still it's good, still has good effect, still has good result compared to the previous state of this shower area. The water drained out at least 2 minutes compared to the 10-minute waiting time from the previous state of the shower area. Okay, but I'm hoping that it will drain out much faster. Okay, so I'm running out of things to say. I'm still waiting for it to drain completely. And timing it out. How long it would take for it to drain out completely. Still there. I don't know, maybe I will try to do the process again. I have one more wild sink and drain cleaner. Maybe another set will do the job. Or there is already problem with the drain with the drain that I have. Okay. Still. Okay, I think it's draining out. There's a movement in the area. Okay. Let's try helping this one. Maybe it's the soap. It's the soap that, maybe it's the soap that's covering the holes in the drain. So let's try to pour some water in it to help. Has in the past. Oh, okay, it's the soap. Okay. So, the soap. So, the thing is working. You would need to help it out by pouring out water in the drain. So, I must say, it's working, but it will take time. So, probably I'll do the process again. I will give it a thumbs up, of course. A 3 out of 5. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.